Yo, what's going on, y'all? It is Dalton, and we are back with another SPY trading recap video. It was for July 30th, 2026. It was a Thursday, and it wasn't the best day for trades, in my opinion. It wasn't terrible, but I only had enough money for one trade yesterday, so I feel like I tried to be a little too picky, and in the process, I missed the good trades and I took a dumb one, so. Let's get into it. So if you notice down here, it is the 31st. I didn't do this yesterday after work because I was busy, got home late. You know how it goes. So we're doing this today. So only one trade today. Got in at 12:44, which is right after, right before this candle prints. Right before this candle prints, I got into a sell. So, and this is I don't even know. I think I waited so long. I missed. Like I said, I was trying to be super patient. I only had enough money for one trade yesterday, so like initially I wanted to get in right here. I was watching this, like it bounced off the pre-market high, or yeah, pre-market high. Then it kind of like consolidated for a second, chopped, act like it wanted to go up with weaker volume though. The volume was decreasing. These wicks up top kept wicking up top, and then bigger red candle, higher volume, then weaker green candle back up, weaker volume right there, and then on this way back down, I was gonna get in like right there, and it was weaker volume, so I didn't. But I thought about getting in right there, and I mean, it would have been such an easy play. I mean, easy $3 or $4 play, just would have been textbook. Would have been really easy, but also could have got in right there. No, I guess I wasn't higher volume. But still bounced off the pre-market high, went down, bounced off again with a pretty strong candle volume, and then that actually right there, that higher volume, you could have got in, or even that hammer candle right there above the EMA and VWAP. That would have been a good little buy-in. So yeah, you could have. There was a couple places to make money today, but yeah, I I got in right here, 12:44, right at the end of this candle. Cause I was thinking it was weaker volume, and I was expecting it to, it was selling off. It's gonna have a weaker volume push up to get everybody out of their shells, and then downside. That's kind of what I was thinking. But obviously that didn't happen. So I got in at 12:44, right at the end of this candle, and I sold at 12:51, right at the start of this candle, because it literally this candle opened up and it just started ripping. Like it was up here within like the first 20-30 seconds. And so, I didn't think it was gonna keep going, but at the same time, I didn't really feel like gambling today. When I saw it tried to get pushed back down, then it tried to do it again. It got up and got pushed back down. So I'm like, okay, for sure downside now. And it just did the same thing again. So yeah, I was like, you know what, it's not just moving how I thought it was gonna move. So I lost $24 in like 5 minutes. Really stupid trade. Like I said, I could have got in like anywhere else. Could have got in there. 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 You know what I mean? Could have got in there. Like there was multiple places you could have got into a trade today and made money. It's just one of those days where I, for whatever reason, didn't. Uh, when I was watching, I didn't take that trade, being a little too picky, and then I was just almost too picky today, and I waited for literally all the actual trades to be done, and then I get into a stupid trade instead of just realizing I messed up for the day, being done, you know. And look, I could have even got in if I would have waited and been patient. So instead of getting in right here, I could have waited an hour right here. If I would have seen that right there, it engulfed that previous candle with higher volume, and then just rocket ship. So yeah, I mean there was definitely some money to be made today. I didn't make it. I think I'm around even on the week. I had a red day Tuesday, made money Wednesday, lost money yesterday. So yeah, I mean, definitely not happy with how I traded, but I did keep it simple. I made one trade, didn't go my way, and that just happens sometimes. So it is what it is, And I haven't been trading on Friday, so I'm not sure if I'll trade today or not. Most likely not, but if I do, then I will definitely make a video after work. So that's all for this video, y'all. Hopefully you learned some. Hopefully you made some money in the markets today. And if you trade again today, good luck to you. All right, y'all. Have a good one. Peace.